Welcome back. So in 2020, get ready to crush your fashion and fitness goals in one fell swoop. Here to show us how is stylist Andrea Arlotti. So there are so many trends that are going on right now. I'm looking at this rack at what you're wearing.
Yeah.
What's going on in the fashion fitness world?
So we're seeing a lot of fun fabrics, a lot of fun patterns, a lot of animal prints. So I'm wearing a leopard print in a plum color.
So this is cool because it's like
fun?
you can step into the world of animal print without like being too bold.
Yeah, I
almost.
love the color palette. It's gorgeous. And then we are also seeing a lot of crop tops. So some meet these high-waisted pants and some don't. So we'll talk a little bit about that with our models too. But yeah, we're seeing a lot of fun trends.
Okay, let's bring out our first look. Of course, some brightness here, which
Yes,
is so fun.
I love this. So this is Amy. And first we started off on these cooler days like today. This
So fuzzy.
beautiful fur coat. Her outfit is from Athleta, and I love this because you can do, it's multifunctional, so you can throw that on with jeans or really anything. And then we put on a beautiful purple top. And the nice thing about this top is it has, underneath, it has something to hold it in place. So
Okay, so your shirt is not going to flip up and hit you in the face.
Exactly.
It will stay down when you're doing yoga. Thank you.
Exactly. So it stays in place. It has those grippers there. And then I love these pants. So this gorgeous tie-dye. You could pull so many different colors of that to pair with a different colored top, but I love this. It's so fun. And you can feel gorgeous working out.
Absolutely. And then her neckline too. It's a bit higher up so that if you're doing some of those forward moves, why would this be beneficial?
Well, you want to stay in and stay intact so you can focus on what you're doing and your goals instead of worrying about what's going on with your body.
Okay,
so that's really
thank you
important.
so much. That's so beautiful. And now we might want a different look. And of course, so many fashion trends are going on.
Yes, so this is Hannah, and Hannah is actually a yoga instructor. So,
Oh, wonderful.
yeah, so when we think of doing yoga, we want everything to stay in place. We want to be holding our poses and standing and doing our down dogs and things like that, and we don't want to worry about our clothes are moving around. And so she has, again, we're pulling in that animal print, the leopard print, which I love in this olive color, and then we paired that with these fun moto pants. So I love the detail. I always love unexpected detail when you're buying something, and the detail on these pants are gorgeous.
Is this some of what you're talking about?
Yeah, so that's like
makes
that
it a
moto look.
pant?
Exactly.
Okay, great.
And you could even throw on some booties or some high boots with that and a black sweater, and again, that multifunctional, which I love.
We're seeing a crop top on her, and if she is looking stunning, but if that's
Absolutely.
something that would be a bit more difficult for
Yeah,
us.
so I have a funny story. I wore a top like this in black to the gym the other day to try it out. And I felt totally insecure and uncomfortable the whole time, like I was working out in a bathing suit.
You're like, maybe we'll put the crop top away.
So I'll leave that for my 23-year-old friend Hannah. But for me, who's had 2 kids, I'm gonna stick to something like this where it still meets those high-waisted pants, but I don't feel the air coming to my tummy where I'm feeling a little more insecure.
I hear you. Thank you so much. And then you've brought in another look that maybe is better for high intensity.
Exactly.
Like that?
So this is Martha, and she is a fitness instructor also. She is a machine. I love taking classes from Martha, and she works you out like you have never even imagined. So with Martha, we brought these gorgeous tights. I love the high waist on this. It has a V. It really holds you in and shows that details around your waist, and then the great meshing at the bottom so it can breathe. So when you're getting overheated and you're hot, when you're working out hard.
It's kind of sweat wicking. So
Exactly.
And I love the black too, and the color pops, because for me, sometimes you can see sweat through if it's a color, but if you've got the black with the pop, it really works.
I love that. So I love the detail of those pants. And then I love the crop of her tee. It's like a little muscle tank. It's really relaxed. You know, we see a little peak on the sides here, but if you're having a day where maybe you don't want something tight and you want to be able to move around and not feel so constricted, that's a great look.
Wonderful. And really fast, we got 30 seconds. This looks like a fun little set.
Great. Another animal print we have going on here, a snakeskin pant from Battery Acid Fitness. They are a local designer. And then we also have some other things if you want to layer over. These are from Nova, another local designer that's produced here in Kansas City.
Soft.
So again, when you have these items on and you're going to go run errands or pick up the kids,
There's
you can pop this over
and for the weather.
Yeah, exactly. So it's perfect.
Andrea, thank you so much for sharing all of the latest styles. We really appreciate it.
Thanks.